Hey guys, my name is Obediah and I'm coming to your school real soon to bring Bye Bye Bowling. I'm gonna bring my trumpet, it's gonna be a fun show, it's got music, we're gonna get some kids up on stage, and I've got this box. And inside the box is, well, you know what, I'm not gonna tell you what's inside the box, but I am gonna tell you this, okay? You're lucky you get to see this video because not all the classes at your school may see it. Maybe they will, maybe not, but your class is seeing this. So, in the opening song, I'm gonna sing, everybody put on a smile, and then you are going to do this. So it looks like this. Everybody put on a smile. Everybody chill for a while. And every time you hear that melody of me singing, you're gonna clap at the end of it. And because you know you're gonna be in, and all the people who don't, they're gonna be like, what? What? Oh, and then they're gonna join in. It's gonna be really fun. So anyway, I can't wait to see you at your school. And after the show, hey, make sure you come up, give me a fist bump, and it's gonna be great. See you then. Bye.
Everybody put on a smile. Everybody chill for a while. Everybody, can you imagine? Everybody, here's a way to have fun.